Hi friends, welcome to the channel. I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my chicken pot pie soup, and it's actually a rendition or a copycat of Jason Deli. I have all of your ingredients below, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, sorry I am very sick and hoarse, but I wanted to get a video out for you guys. So in my pan, I have added some easy OO, and I've added in some thyme. I've also added in some carrots and some celery, and I'm going to cook this down until it's tender. I'm also going to add in some garlic as well, some fresh garlic, and later on some more ingredients. I am so sorry my voice is hoarse, but I had to get you guys out some videos. I've added in I added in 2 to 4 tablespoons. I'll add another pack of butter in there as well to just get it all married together. Now that the vegetables have softened, I'm adding in some flour. Now I meant to pull out those thyme leaves, but don't worry, I will get them later. So next, after I cook this down a little bit, because we're making like a light roux to thicken up this soup, because we want it to be lovely and thick and just melt in your mouth and just be tasty. So I cooked chicken earlier. You can use a rotisserie chicken, but I wanted to have my own broth. And so that's what I used to, I poured a little bit in, you stir, because you don't want lumpy and clumpy soup. That would not be tasty at all. So I added that in. I'm also added in some crushed red pepper. I added in some peas. I'm adding in some oregano, some granulated garlic, some granulated onions, some pepper, you can either use chicken base, or you can use chicken bouillon, which is what I use. And now I'm stirring all of this up to combine. I'm gonna let that simmer. So now that I've taken out the puff pastry, you definitely wanna take it out the freezer and let it thaw. And then I'm just cutting them to the size my serving dish is going to be. I want it to fit really nice and perfect on top. I'm using some egg wash to brush across the top of the puff pastry. It's going to go in a preheated oven, 350, and it's going to bake for 15 minutes. It's going to come out so golden and pretty, and it's going to look great on top of this soup, you guys. So don't skip this step, because it's just great on the presentation. So anyway, I also forgot to tell you guys that I added in a little bit of crushed red pepper as well in that soup that is over there cooking. But I forgot to tell you that. So now here, look at this soup, you guys. Isn't this stuff perfect? I put in some potatoes that I had cooked also earlier, and but they were already done. So it's just all marrying it together. You want to taste your soup. You want to adjust your seasonings to your palate. And as you can see, your girl loves spice. So she added a little bit more spice. This is not in the traditional Jason Deli recipe. You would not put any of this crushed red pepper in there at all. Okay, and then you want to salt and pepper to taste, but keep in mind that bouillon or base is very salty, so you don't want to add too much, and you don't want to add, you want to do it to your taste, to your palate. Okay, so next, I just wanted to let you guys see how beautiful it is. Look at this puff pastry, you guys. Everything is done. I'm getting ready to put it in a bowl for you. Here we go. Here's your bowl. You guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. If you have not given your girl a thumbs up, you need to press that button right now. It ain't costing you a thing. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.